the DJI Pocket 3 Color. I shot video like this for my gig user, and it was not D-Log-M because I thought it was when I was in HLG. So here it is, buddy, in D-Log-M. Now, when I shot in D-Log-M, which is HLG by mistake, and I was at the park bench, Wondershare Filmora 13 had caused glitches in the program that created the render useless. It put a pixel in a couple of places, and that is not my machine. That was the program. So I am back on normal. Ooh, wow, they did a nice job to the house, man. They put a new roof and building up. I like that. And they extended the side. Wow. What was I talking about? You know, my computer can't handle 10-bit. It sure can handle 10-bit. I just don't see the 10-bit color on an 8-bit machine. And I have problems with magix as well, where it just basically did something. So yeah, you could chalk it up to Lenovo Yoga 7i, the Windows machine. Because lately, you know, if I just walk away from my machine and the screen is closed and it's on standby, it gives the stop. And I wind up, look, my program's closed. I turn it on and the machine started all up at the beginning login. And even when I edited yesterday, I got, a crash. The stop again. So that ends the talk of D-Log-M for me. I don't really use it. I don't care about it because the color of the camera is just fine for me.